We live in the desert and we have really hot summers. The heat definitely puts a damper on enjoying our outdoor spaces. We were on the lookout for a nice big fan that could generate a good amount of airflow for our back patio area so we could enjoy the mornings and evenings more comfortably. The folks at Minislak were generous enough to send us their 72-inch outdoor smart fan to install and try out for our space. The box showed up at our doorstep and it was compactly and securely packaged. We started by laying out all the parts and running through the directions. One of the first steps was to double check that our fan outlet that was pre-installed when our house was built was able to support at least a 35-pound fan. Determining if it would took a little bit of research, but once we confirmed it was, we were confident in moving forward with the installation. We chose the 24-inch down rod, which is one of the 3 included in the kit. There's also a down rod connector, which allows you to combine any 2 rods for even more length options. There's no need to purchase extra long rods. After turning out the breaker to the patio area, we began the systematic steps of installing the bracket, hanging the motor, connecting the wiring, and adding the 8 anodized aluminum alloy blades, which are thick, corrosive resistant, and waterproof. Once the light was installed, we crossed our fingers and flipped on the switch. The final step was to set up the smart part of the fan, which is what I was looking forward to the most. The first step in that was to activate the Wi-Fi feature by holding down the 4-hour button on our particular model. Then, making sure I was on the 2.4 gigahertz frequency, I added the fan to my Smart Life app, which I already had installed for other smart devices in my house. Because the Wi-Fi was in pairing mode, it immediately popped up as a new device. Next, Alexa, which was already pre-installed, was able to automatically add the fan and asked me to confirm the addition. Now I have multiple ways to turn on the fan, light, or both. I can use the included remote, the Smart Life app, or voice activation through Alexa. Alexa, turn on ceiling fan.
Okay.
Pretty slick. Overall, I felt the installation process and Wi-Fi setup was clear and straightforward. I love the modern design, the 6-speed wind control, and the light that is fully adjustable in both brightness and color temperature. I definitely recommend checking out the different size and color options Minislak has to offer if you're looking for a well-built industrial fan that has a lot of modern features available on the market. I hope this overview was helpful. Thanks for watching.